Hello, hello. This is Robin here with Shine Pages. And today I just wanted to go kind of an impromptu live because I figured if you are looking to build your business online this year and get started, it can be a little overwhelming, right? With trying to come up with what platform you're going to build on and actually coming up with the design. And maybe you have to code certain things because that's not exactly how you want it to look. So I just wanted to show you and share with you a new template that you can use to make getting your offers online, your courses online, your products online, whether you have digital products or physical products, an e-commerce store, whether you have a blog. I want to show you a way to make that easier so that you can just get your magic, get your light, share it online more quickly. So you don't have to worry about the design or the coding or anything like that. It's all done for you with this new template, actually with all of our templates, but we just had a new one that we added to the Shine Pages platform. And I wanted to kind of take you through it and show you how easy it is to go ahead and get started and launch your site, launch your offers, get your business online. Again, shaving down that learning curve, cutting down the time it would take you to build something from scratch or even fiddle around with another template that's another platform potentially that is a little bit more restrictive. I want to show you not only the template, but also how flexible and easy it is to use. So I'm going to take you over here. Let's see if I can change this around and show you this new template. So again, with the Shine Pages platform, there's a ton of different free templates that are included as a part of the Shine Pages platform. And so this is a brand new one. This is called Mind and Body, but it can be used for anyone. I think the idea behind it was that this was somebody who might be a health coach or a mindset coach or a nutrition coach or something like that. However, again, this can totally be changed to your brand, your colors, your photos, your content. So it's really very flexible to be able to use for you. But I wanted to show you some of the features of this platform and also this template because it's super nice to have it kind of set out and ready for you. All you need to do is swap out the images for your own, swap out the text, put in your own copy, your own things that you might be selling or you might be offering, and launch. So again, this is our builder screen. All of these things on here are very flexible and easy to change. If you want this text box to be larger, you just drag it over. If you want something to be different, you want your text to actually be different, you just double click on it here and you make your changes. Text here. So you just make your changes like that. If you want to have something be a different size or a different font, again, you just double click in here, you pull down and you make that a different font. You can make it a different size. You can make it a different color, make it green for all you care. So you just make these changes here and it's super easy to swap things out. Same thing with changing out images on the site. So you have all these different images. Let's say you wanted to change this one here. Just click on it, hit edit image. You're going to swap this one out for one that you upload. So you can upload any pictures you want right into here. Let's just change it out with something like this. You upload all of your images, not only images, but your files. If you have downloads or PDFs that you want to use for a freebie, a lead magnet, a giveaway, you can do all of that here. I'm going to select this image now. Now we have a different image here. We can add things like captions or shadows or other things to this particular image. But I just want to kind of give you a feel for how easy it is to swap things out and get started. All of the elements on the page are completely drag and drop. So you just pick something up, you pull it up here. Let's say you want a little bit more space. You just push it down like this. You can also, again, adjust your columns. Super easy, adjust your text. Very flexible and that you can arrange things up and down or side to side. So it's, again, a very flexible platform to make all of these different changes and make it work for your brand. Now, this particular template comes with a number of different pages. This one comes with the home page, obviously, comes with an about page. Whoops, I'm just going to say discard for right now. It comes with an about page. It comes with a work with me page. So all of these are already beautiful, built in, ready for you to go. This is a core beliefs. All of these are the settings here. These are kind of drop-down menus. You could use this for frequently asked questions. In this case, the example is to use it for your beliefs, belief number 1, belief number 2, or your mission statement, things like that. This would be, again, in that about section. There is a work with me page, and there is also a shopping page. So this actually comes with an e-commerce platform as well. So you can add in any physical products, digital products, service products, or membership or course type of products, all in here. So again, all of our pages are laid out for you. You simply change out the text. This is your text, and you just make those kind of changes here. So it's super easy to do. You have all of this set for you. Your logo can go here and swap this out with your image, or just type in text and make that your logo here. It's super easy to do. The contact page, let's just say discard for now. And those are the kind of the main pages, the about page, the work with me or services page. I'm going to skip over this one for right now, go to the contact page, and then I'm going to come back to our shopping page and our course page. Before I do that, I'm going to go here. You also do have a blog with this. You can set up and have any blogs that you'd like. The look of the blog, let's see if this pops out so you can actually see it. Yep. Okay, so this blog would just look like this. You can add your images, add your little summary statements, and then if you click on any one of these, that would bring you to the longer blog post that you would insert your words. You can totally change up what the header looks like. If you want the sidebar to show up, you can do that. So again, you can have all of these different things on this site. Your homepage, your about page, your work with me, your services page, add new pages if you'd like, contact page, a blog here. And then I'm going to go into some of the other features too. So this also has a shopping page. You can set this up to sell, again, like I said, physical products, digital products, or downloads, service type products. So if you sell coaching, it can be an hour of your coaching or a workshop that you're running. Again, set that up as a product so that you can sell it. Go here. You would just add your product. Again, physical, digital downloads, service type products, or membership or courses. I have a number of different products already set up that you would get in this template that you can use as a demo or kind of a guideline for how you would add in your own products. Here's a membership product. Maybe you have 2 levels of VIP members and regular members, coaching session, and a physical product here. So those are some examples of what that would look like. And I'll show you kind of what different ways you can have your store look as well on your page. So here is our shopping site. You can have a standard or more traditional store type of a page within this template, but you can also have a page that is kind of designed in a little bit different manner. So maybe you have a special product that you want to feature, a featured product up here. You can set all of this up, adding your own images, adding your own text, and then adding a button. This button can link to anywhere you want it to link. In this case, I'm linking it to a product, and I'm just going to have it go right into add to cart. If you'd instead like this to go to that product's like description page as the part of your store, that, you know, specific product's description, you can do that. But since you've kind of already described it here, you can have this action just simply add it to the cart. So you can just set it up like that. So this is one way to set up different products where you actually design the page with the different products and write out the descriptions, have your product links go directly to that product's add to cart button, or adding it to go to that specific product's pop-up of their product description. Or this is kind of a more simplistic way of showing your products, and this is simply a store widget. So within the Shine Pages platform, you can add any new products here on this menu. You can add any new widgets here, and this is how you do that. There's a whole bunch of different widgets you can add. You can add images, sliders, videos, countdown timers, progress bars, icons, text, of course. And so all of these things can be added, and one of those things is a store widget. So I drag this store widget over. I already did it in this case, so it's already here on the page, but that's what you do. You just drag things over onto the page wherever you'd like them. And now I can set up, okay, I want these specific products to show up. You can say all my latest products, only certain categories, or actually individually select which products you'd like to display here through your store widget. So you can do that, and then you can also edit how these look. We can edit how the image itself shows up right here, changing the layout. You know, if you want the add to cart button to show up, how many products per row, do you want it a grid or a carousel, that kind of thing, the padding around the images. What do you want to show up? So you can kind of set the settings of this, but there's two different ways to do it. So one is just importing a widget of all of your store products, or the other way, again, up here is individually creating as a design element on the page, an image, text, and a button. And then that way you can display your products that way too. So this particular template, again, has the website, it has a blog, it has e-commerce functionality for all of those different types of products. And it also has a contacts or CRM. All of your contacts would be captured in here. You can directly integrate with an email service provider like MailChimp or GetResponse. All of those you can integrate directly. We will soon also have email functionality built in. So email automation and marketing will be built into the Shine Pages platform shortly. But right now you can do the direct integrations with MailChimp and others. And all of these contacts, you'd have them all here. You can tag them all upon every form they fill out, every product they buy, any inquiry they have, any appointment they book. All of this would come here, and you can sort and organize and keep track of all of your contacts right in our CRM system here. And finally, the system has appointment bookings built in as well. So you can set up a free discovery call or a workshop event, or people are able to book you for different coaching times. So you set up all of your different booking events and then set your different calendars for how you'd like people to book. On this builder itself, I think we have this located on here. One of the pages of the builder is the actual calendar. So in this case, we have one appointment set for you as an example. It would be book a free call. Here is the page where you would have people go to book that free call. So this is actually a widget as well. It is the calendar widget. I simply made a page called Book a Call Page, and I inserted the calendar widget onto this page. So now the free Book a Call appointment that I set in my appointments tab, I'm going to actually go here in my calendar, and this is the appointment that I'm choosing. If I had different appointments all set up here in my appointments tab, I would select which one I wanted to showcase. There's also the ability to showcase one and then have different services be options kind of below that level. So once they've chosen the person they want to work with, then they can choose the service they're choosing. You can change the lookout, the look of this, your fonts, your colors, things like that. But this would be a way to allow people to book calls with you directly on your website. You don't need a third-party system like Calendly or Acuity or one of those. You don't need that anymore because it's all built in to the Shine Pages platform, and it's already pre-built with a page for it within this template, this Mindbody template. So it really does have everything you need to get started and launch your business very quickly. Again, you just have to go into the builder, start swapping out your pictures and your text. If you'd like to add additional elements to the page, again, you can always add those with the widgets. Just drag over an image, add that image. Again, you can upload whatever images you want. I had just done this one, so let's just add that. Upload that image. You can stretch it. You can make this image bigger. So it's super easy to manipulate and change. You can just move this up a little bit. So you can change out the look completely of this. And then you can also, by adding widgets, or you can add new blocks in, again, to add different stackable blocks onto your page. And there's a ton of different blocks to choose from. You have hero blocks, you have services blocks, you have call to action type of blocks, you have image type of blocks, image and text. So all of these things you can choose from to get started, or just choose an empty block. Again, menus and pricing, teams and testimonials, checkout pages, gallery pages, portfolio pages. There's all sorts of different options, or just an empty block like that. And now I have this empty block. Within an empty block, I have one column, but if I want to add more columns, oops, I can do that. I just go here to my columns and I say, actually, I want this column to have this row to have 3 different columns. And now I have one column here. Let's say I have a border around this column. You can change the size and the radius of a border. I can add an image in to a column. Let's just add this image again. Just choose the one we'd already uploaded here. For the sake of this, we can just make our column have a background. Oops. You can have a background image, or you can have a background color. So again, and then we can start adding in different widgets of text or icons or buttons, or all of these things can just be dragged over. Put a button in here, change the button text, learn more, or call me, or whatever. Call me. And here you can either have them go directly to that book a call page, or just have it be click to call. And this will actually call them if you're on a mobile phone. So just put in your phone number here, caption it, and now this is going to go directly there. If you don't want it bumped up to the top like it is, you just drag it down. Really easy and flexible to do. So I hope this gives you an idea or an example of the fact that you can take this template and launch your signature offer, your membership, your group coaching, your services that you're offering in a very easy way, in a very flexible way. And it has a lot of options for you. Again, it has your website with your home, your about, your services, your contact, all the kind of standard pages of a website. You can add more at any time. There's templates to get started with. It will also have your actual blog, e-commerce, and I didn't show you this, it has a full course module included as well. So if you go over here to the funnels, we have a full course inside this template. So you can actually offer and sell your online course. So in this case, it is a multi-step sales funnel that takes people from the selling of your course. So this is going to be the landing page or the sales page for a course that you might choose to sell in your store. Again, set up a course type of product for your digital or online course. And now you're going to take people through the process of learning about it here. So this is a sales page for that online course you're going to create. Here's a great sales page all set up for you. Here's some benefits. Here's some testimonials. Have all of this on your sales page. All of the call to action buttons on this sales page lead people directly into purchase this course, get access now, buy this course, get started. Every single call to action leads them to the next step in this funnel, which is, again, a checkout. So they would check out of this sales funnel process. And it takes them from the learning about it to purchasing it to a thank you page, a basic, easy thank you page. Thanks so much for joining my course. I can't wait for you to get started. Maybe you put a video here, or maybe it's just an image and some text. You can choose. And then go to video 1, go to module 1. All of this is changeable. Go here. And now we can get right into our actual course itself. Have a course welcome page. Again, welcome here now to your course. They can be members. These can be member-only pages. They can gain access to being a member by purchasing the member product that you made. So here, welcome to that member, because they are using a username and login to log into these members-only pages. You welcome them with a video, and then you bring them right into their modules and your content that you're going to share with them. And I'll show you what a basic module page could look like. It doesn't have to, but this is how this template is set up. The name of your course can be up here. Maybe you link them out to your private Facebook page just for your course members. And here's where you put your content. So you just have the content of your course. Maybe this is module 1, the video for module 1. Any text or information or pictures or other videos you want to add, you'd simply use your widgets, add them in here. And then maybe there's a downloadable worksheet for that course. Great, just load it in here, link to that PDF document. We're gonna link right here to a file. And then you just click on this. You would upload your PDF document right here, click on it, you're good to go. You can sort these, add different folders, have a folder for all of your downloads, set that up and upload those PDF documents into that folder. But example there, you just, again, select that. I did not do this, I'm gonna hit cancel. Download that worksheet. This is module 1. Same thing for module 2, module 3, etc. In this particular template, you will get 3 modules set up for you and 3 bonus pages set up for you. If you want to add more, you simply go here. You duplicate this module, this funnel step and or page and or module, and then you just go to the settings of it. Now I'm going to call this module 4. Module 4, hit save. And now when you go into module 4, you just start making the changes to the content. So now you have module 4, put in the module 4 video, put in the module 4 text, put in the module 4 worksheet if you have it. So this template comes with a website, a blog, e-commerce. It has a sales funnel built in and course pages built in. It truly is a full package for you to take, to customize and tweak, and then launch. Within this, you can have actually 2 different domains. One can be for your website. The second one, if you choose to have a separate domain for your course, you can do that too. So you actually have that option of having your course all together kind of with your website in one domain, or separate it out and have it be on its own domain. So that's an option for you. So again, this particular Mind Body website, you will see in the Shine Pages templates section. And you'll see that this one, it looks like this. It says, hello, I'm Sarah. That could obviously be your name here, but this is a template that allows you to get up and running, launch your offers, launch your website quickly, easily. And it's all, and this is actually right now, it might change in the future, but this is a free template that is located as a part of Shine Pages. It might be transferred to a premium template in the future. So if you're interested, sign up for your free 14-day trial of Shine Pages now and get started on customizing your template today. You can do this today. So get started. There are tutorials to help you. There's a launch blueprint that you can go through, little modules that help explain how to do different things, but it's a fairly easy drag and drop system. And I can't wait to see you get started and see what you're going to build and how you are going to shine your light online. Thanks so much.